welcome to Incheon. Yeah, let's go. Good morning guys, welcome to my vlog. Gagala ang mga Dora ngayon. Mag-check-in na kami. Departure na guys. And good morning guys. Here we are, rarampa tayo. Ito ang aking travel buddy. Say hi. Uy, hindi narinig. Oh, rarampa siya. May sakit. Magpapagaling daw. Good morning guys. Tayo ay maglalakwatsa. Korean Air tayo. Paliwa. Yan. Sinday, papunta na. Welcome to Korean Airline. Inday! Kala ko may sakit ka.
Alis na rin.
Guys, eto na kami. Pa-boarding. Boarding na. Magpapahinga. Magpapahinga yung mga pagod. Charot. Ting security guard. Boarding na tayo, boarding.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honor to have you with us today. We have landed at Beijing Capital International Airport. Please remain seated on the side. Be careful when opening your overhead bins as items may drop. Thank you for choosing Korean Air, a member of SkyTeam, and we hope to see you again soon.
Touchdown! Beijing! Hello Beijing! This is our room hotel for today and for tomorrow.
We came to Beijing to die.
Mga batang gala. Yan. Mga gala oh. Guys, welcome to Beijing. Nandito kami ngayon sa subway station nila. Welcome to Beijing. Picture tayo. Ay. Go! Uy, baka may ano dito. Uy, baba. Look up at this. Let's go. Underground doon. Underground dito. Let's do this. Let's taste.
Ipakita mo sa... Picturean ko.
Guys, welcome. Magbe-breakfast tayo. Putsang ka. Dito. Let's eat, guys. Breakfast tayo. Good morning, good morning.